Here is the quick unboxing and demo of Flipkart SmartBuy wireless mouse. Flipkart branding can be seen on the box along with product details and pricing. Its actual price is Rs 399 and I have added Flipkart link to this product in the video description. Box contains mouse unit and user guide. Here is the closer look at the mouse. It is not small laptop mouse, big enough and easy to hold. It has got brand logo printed at the front. Backside is having basic specifications. On-off switch is also available. Before using, you need to open the cover at the bottom of the mouse and take out the nano receiver from the mouse. Insert it into spare USB port as you see here. User guide given with the mouse is very simple and easy to understand. There are some steps mentioned for troubleshooting as well. You need to take out the plastic insulation from battery and insert it back in right direction again. I suggest you to write the date of first use so that battery life can be tracked easily. Turn on to check if it is powering up. Yes, we are good to go. Close the cover. Let's check on the PC. It is just plug and play type of device. No software installation is required. The moment you turn on the mouse, it is ready to use as you see here. Initial impression is good as it is very responsive similar to wired mouse and clicks are going smooth. No lags noticed. However, I will use it for few weeks and update my comments in the video description below. As you see the gaps here, dust particles can easily enter inside the mouse. Hence, it is advisable to keep it inside the cover when not in use. We can easily conclude that this wireless mouse from Flipkart is value for money considering its decent build quality for the price you are paying. I have listed few more alternatives in the video description and you can check it. Thanks for watching the video. If you have found this video informative, please share it with your circles and don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons.